whether you're talking athletics or basketball or volleyball or football, it's now highly competitive. It is very scientific. It is very cross-border. I mean, when you look at even the top countries, football-wise, across the world, they still benefit from their players gaining experience from other places. We just have to do two things which successful nations have always done football-wise. One is to invest in a deliberate, intentional, and structured pipeline anchored on grassroots football for the youth, or what you can call youth football development. And number two, expose those talents to high-level competition and high-level training. A lot more tournaments, because they have to continue competing. So we have a lot more tournaments, a lot more exchange programs where they can travel to other parts of the world, but then they can also host other teams in Kenya. I would love a situation where we have youth teams from different parts of the world also coming to visit our youth teams in Kenya.
Naweza thank the Ministry of Sports through Talanta ametusaidia, ametupea opportunity yenye mtu kama mimi singepata. Tume-express ourselves, tumecheza poa.
Mideva!